Vehicle versions, I have to mention him because he did create a video on, again, he keeps doing this. I don't know why. He's obviously struggling for views. He's made another video on picking up randomers in an Uber Lamborghini. I think it was his biggest video that he had, and he's trying to recreate these videos to get his views and his subs back up. This is the way I think what's going to happen with vehicle versions, or what could happen. This is just a wild guess because I want to hear your comments below as well, what you think. He's struggling for views. He hasn't cracked 100,000 views, I'd say, in quite a few weeks. His views don't seem to be going up. Like, if you're kind of going back, say, if you go quiet for maybe a month and you're building your views back up, for the amount of content he's pumping out and the amount of videos he's pumping out, his views should be going up. He should be cracking 100k by now, like on each video, to get back up there. The guy was hitting 500,000 to nearly 1 million views a video up until this whole debacle and happened with him and calling out DD and stuff. But he's not. He's pumping out content and it doesn't seem to be doing anything for his channel. I really feel like you don't know where, I can't see where Vehicle Virgin is going to go because he keeps repeating a lot of content stuff that's there. He's definitely got the cars for the content, but sounds like he's ran out of content. I think a lot of people want to go back to car reviews, or a lot of people mentioned in his comments below saying, look, go back to affordable sports cars and modifying them. It would do a lot better for your channel. I just don't know. I mean, it's just been so bad and it's been cringy to watch, and his channel is dying. I can't see what he's going to do to get the numbers back up. They should be coming back up, but they're not. He seems to be hovering around the 70,000, 75,000 mark on his videos, and you wonder how much revenue he's getting off YouTube, like trying to survive, to pay for a house and all these kind of things. So I don't know, guys. Comment below and let me know what you think is going to happen with Vehicle Version's channel, and what he needs to do to revive it, or should he just let it go, or what you think should happen to that channel, because I honestly think he's in serious trouble, and I don't know what he's going to do to be able to get his views back up and subscribers. So that's my thoughts and opinions on it. I can't really see it going well for him, but you know, I have nothing against him. It's just his content. He's scraping the barrel here at this stage, and it's not a good look for him. He needs to do something drastically quickly in the next 2 or 3 months, or you can't see him lasting a year. I don't know. So